Hi everyone, I'm Hansika Kumawat, currently pursuing B Design in Design Ecole College. And in this video, I'm going to tell you through my project journey of our college hackathon Identity 2025. We were challenged to design a garment inspired by 1920s, the Roaring Twenties and the Jazz Age, and reinterpret it for today's Gen Z's audience with the modern functionality and contemporary aesthetics. In this project, we will be showcasing how our ideas evolved from research to inspiration to the concept development, material selection to the complete final garment. This video highlights entire design journey from the concept to the creation. Before everything else, I begin with both primary and secondary research. For primary research, I visit the mall to see how brands like Zara and Mango adapt flapper inspiration elements for Gen Zs. And secondary research focused on 1920s fashion, art deco, beaded work, party wear, and signature silhouettes. I realized both Gen Z's and 1920s glamour celebrate boldness, which shaped my garment. After researching 1920s color, I found gold was iconic, celebrated. It evoked luxury, celebration, and high visual impact, making it perfect choice for my garment. I also referred to Pantone to select the exact shade for accuracy and impact. With research, the color decided, I started developing my concept. I wanted to create a piece that carried the elegance of 1920s and the relevance of jazz fashion. For my mood board, my brain objectives was reflects the luxury rhythm on bold expression of jazz age while maintaining the practicality and apparel for contemporary in Gen Z's fashion. For overall style, I decided to style my model with the jewel neckline, wide leg jeans and waist chain belt, a mesh lace gloves and the bandana added a Gen Z twist. While sketching, I explored bead placement, silhouettes and art deco arcs, hand-placed beads, cascades on the top, while high-waisted trouser features 1920s fringes. Digital Photoshop variation helped me to visualize motifs and fabric flows. Choosing the fabric was crucial. I used sheer nude for the top to highlight beads, gold fabric for pants and to catch lights, and 1920s inspired sheer golden gloves to adopt for Gen Zs. After finalizing the design, I draft the patterns, stitch each beads to match the sketches, add a gold chain belt and complete all the embellishments. And here's the final look is ready. Let's see it. Before, I sincerely thank my college for this opportunity through Identity 2025 in collaboration with Sentry. It's been an amazing platform to showcase our creativity. Now let's see the final garment. My final garment blends 1920s glamour with Gen Z's boldness in gold. Research and creativity brought it to life. Thank you so much for watching this process.